Hello, I'm Paul Stevens with Cottage Craftworks, and today I want to introduce you to our Pulmic Pegasus 35 industrial sprayer. Now, right now in 2026, we are the only distributor that has the commercial industrial model. Pegasus also makes a 58 PSI model, which is red bottom, and you'll see a lot of those on the internet. This has a black bottom and it's 100 PSI, which means that most sprayers that you will find in the box stores are like 45 to 60 PSI. So you have a lot more spray power with this. It is extra thick, heavy duty, easy rolling wheels. So this comes with the standard Pegasus, 2 batteries and a charger. I'm sure that the quality is there because it is a Pegasus, and judging on this quality of the sprayer, I would say that is a good choice. Now, the problem I've had with proprietary batteries is that I have a whole workshop full of tools that I can no longer use the battery for because it was proprietary. The Amish have taken this and converted it to an option to where you can use your tool batteries, a DeWalt, a Milwaukee, or a Makita, and they slide in their own compartment, which is self-contained. The Amish have really embraced these tool batteries because they are readily available. They already have them in their workshops, and just like I do, I have both of these batteries in my workshop, and instead of just using them once occasionally on a sprayer, I can use them on all my other tools and then use them on the sprayer. And if I end up needing another battery, I just go to my workshop and I'm ready to go. The other problem I had with proprietary batteries is I have a whole workshop full of chargers that I really don't remember what goes with what. This also has a storage compartment for the nozzles that come with it. And if you notice that these are actually power washer type nozzles. That fit in quick disconnects. So you can either use it with the wand or you can use it on the trigger. If you also notice, this is a power washer grade trigger. The problem I've had with a lot of sprayers is that they use a cheap, flimsy sprayer, and you read on the back of these chemicals that you're not supposed to get it on your skin. But what happens with these cheaper nozzles is that you'll be spraying along and all at once you feel moisture down your pant leg or running down your arm because the thing is leaking here someplace. So this also has a removable fitting that will go onto our Pegasus adjustable wand. And this will go up to 16 feet. This is an option, but you can use the same disconnects with it. Or you can buy this optional adjustable valve so that you can get up into the corners. This comes with a 20-foot hose. And the other frustration I've had with other sprayers over the years is that they'll come with either a hard plastic hose and a very short hose. So at 20 feet, I can get up on a ladder and use this and shoot up to 30 feet, 29 feet, 30 feet. Up on a ladder, if I use this, I can go an extra 16 feet. So I have able to reach some very tall trees, which is what I'm going to primarily use this sprayer for, because I have pecans with the pecan rust that I need to spray several times during the growing season. So I'll be able to reach up to the tops of these trees, which some of them are getting up to about 40 feet tall. These tops of these has a basket inside, strainer basket. It also has a very quality, heavy-duty towing handle that works with a simple up and down. A lot of the sprayers will have like suitcase that has the little pegs that you have to push in. They have an unlocking mechanism, but usually I find that I'm having to push these pegs in to move this up. And when I have gloves on, which is what you would want to use, it's very hard to use. It also has another storage compartment here for nozzles. And then the handle locks in. And then the handle locks in here for transport, so it's not dragging on the ground. This new industrial sprayer, again, is 100 PSI, but it has 3 settings. With this button, you can do a 1, 2, or 3, or off. The other very unique feature is it has a cleaning feature where you can turn it to clean, and then you insert this short hose into this fitting, and then you can use that in a cleaning solution to back flush all of your chemicals out of here, but you can also use it to put into a bucket of soapy water or detergent to pre-soak items. At 100 PSI, this unit is going to produce more than what a regular garden hose would at maybe 40 to 60 PSI. So this can be used as a soft pressure washer with these different nozzles. It's not going to deep clean or hard pressure wash, which is what you don't want to do if you're cleaning air conditioner or something that needs just a soft wash, but you'd like to get a little bit more pressure on than what you would with a typical garden hose. Okay, now let's talk a little bit about safety. Remember, you're using 100 PSI, which is much stronger than a typical sprayer. So you don't want to spray it towards anybody or the skin because it's like air pressure. And you also want to use PPE equipment, especially if you're going to be spraying up into the trees, which means a goggle protection, respirator, chemical resistant gloves, and a chemical resistant hooded coverall so that spray will not drip down on you. Now, you may have seen some water dripping out of this on me, and right now for demonstration I've only been using just tap water, so that has no chemicals in it.